Still on matrix algebra. This time around, we're going to talk about multiplication of matrices. All right, how to multiply two matrices. Two matrices can only be multiplied if the number of columns of the first matrix is equal to the number of rows of the second matrix. So if the number of columns of the first matrix is equal to the number of rows of the second matrix, then we say that these two matrices are conformable for multiplication. Or else, multiplication is not defined for the matrices. All right. I want to evaluate this. I want to multiply this matrix by this other matrix. Looking at it, 1, 2, 3. We have 3 columns here. 1, 2, 3. We have 3 rows for the second matrix. So the number of columns of this matrix equals the number of rows of the second matrix. Then these two matrices can be multiplied. Here is the product. 2 times 1 plus 1 times 3 plus 3 times 2. Okay, this will form the first element here, the first number. Okay, I'll come here now. 2 times minus 2 plus, this is a single number, 1 times 0 plus 3 times minus 1. Let me group them in brackets. You see it? I'll come here. Minus 1 times 1 plus 0 times 3. 0 times 3 plus 2 times 2. 2 times 2. Then I'll come here. Minus 1 again times minus 2. Minus 1 times minus 2 plus 0 times 0. 0 times 0 plus 2 times minus 1. 2 times minus 1. Let's see. This is 2 plus 3 plus 6, right? This is minus 1. This is 0. And this is 4. This is minus 4. That's 2 times minus 2 minus 4. 1 times 0 is 0. That's plus 0. 3 times minus 1 is minus 3. Minus 1 times minus 2 is plus 2. 0 times 0, 0. 2 times minus 1 is minus 2. So what do we have? 2 plus 3 plus 6, that's 11. Minus 4 plus 0 is minus 4. Minus 4 minus 3 is minus 7. Minus 1 plus 0 is minus 1. Minus 1 plus 4 is 3. 2 plus 0, 2. 2 minus 2, 0. This is the product of these two matrices. It's as easy as this. If x is equal to this is matrix x, and y is equal to this is matrix y, we have to find the product of x and y, xy. It's very easy. xy is this. First of all, the number of columns of this matrix, 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 columns. We have 4 rows here also. 1, 2, 3, 4. So they are conformable for multiplication. 1, 0, minus 1. 1, 2, 3. 3, 1, minus 2. 2, 2, 0. 2, 2, 0. 2, 2, 0. 2, 2, 0. 2, 2, 0. 2, 2, 0. 2, 2, 0. 2, 2, 0. 2, 2, 0. 2, 2, 0. 2, 2, 0. 2, 2, 0. 2, 2, 0. 2, 2, 0. 2, 2, 0. 2, 2, 0. 2, 2, 0. 2, 2, 0. 2, 2, 0. 2, 2, 0. 2, 2, 0. 2, 2, 0. 2, 2, 0. 2, 2, 0. 2, 2, 0. 2, 2, 0. 2, 2, 0. 2, 2, 0. 2, 2, 0. 2, 2, 0. 2, 2, 0. 2, 2, 0. 2, 2, 0. 2, 2, 0. 2, 2, 0. 2, 2, 0. 2, 2, 0. 2, 2, 0. 2, 2, 0. 2, 2, 0. 2, 2, 0. 2, 2, 0. 2, 2, 0. 2, 3012 1150. So look at it. Let's see. 1 times 3, that's 3. Plus 1 times 0, that's 0. Plus 3 times 1, that's 3. Plus 2 times 2, that's 4. Alright. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. That's plus 1. 3 times 5, 15. 2 times 0, 0. 0 times 3, 0. 2 times 0, 0. 1 times 1, 1. 2 times 2, 4. 0 times 1, 0. 2 times 1, 2. 1 times 5, 5. 2 times 0, 0. Minus 1 times 3, minus 3. 3 times 0, 0. Minus 2 times 1, minus 2. 0 times 2, 0. Minus 1 times 1, minus 1. 3 times 1, 3. Minus 2 times 5, that's minus 10. And 0 times 0, 0. Xy is this. 3 plus 3 plus 4, that's 10, right? 10. 1, 2, 17. 0, 0, 1, 5, right? 2, 7. I'm adding them up now. Minus 3 is minus 5. Minus 1 minus 3, minus 1 minus 10 is minus 11. Plus 3 is minus 8. And this is the product of x and y. So this is how to multiply two matrices together. I hope you enjoyed the video. Keep supporting by subscribing to this channel. Like and share the video to your friends and to your classmates. I will see you in the next one.